I'm Ashley Douglas, and I'm the instructor for the Medication Aide Program here at Laurel Ridge Community College. Our program we offer is a 68-hour curriculum that is approved by the Virginia Board of Nursing. In order to be considered for enrollment, a student needs to have completed an approved Nurse Aide program. Our Medication Aide curriculum contains both a classroom and clinical portion. Both are designed to teach the student how to administer and how to assist the client with self-administration of medications. Other topics that we address include legal and ethical issues regarding medication management, resident rights and mandated reporting, administration techniques involving different routes, documentation, storage and disposal requirements, as well as an entire unit dedicated to diabetes management and how to safely administer insulin. Upon successful completion of the program, a student will register with the Virginia Board of Nursing and will be eligible to take the national exam. Once you pass the exam, then you will be considered a registered medication aide and you can work in any assisted living facility. If you have any additional questions, please check out our page for additional details on our program as well as the prerequisites for enrollment. I hope to see you in class.